Min Young Zheng is set to go down against Branson Ribeiro, and at Road to UFC he was dominant. He destroyed George Tokos. Min Young Zheng is a knockout artist. He's marching forward, very aggressive, very powerful, big right hand, and this guy already has a very decent fighting experience. He is currently on a great winning streak. His career was bad in the early stages, but then he learned to fight technically, and I see this guy as a killer big hilt, good striking. He's fishing for round one finish. He's got fair chokes. Branson Ribeiro is a shoot boxer. Volcao Thai 15-5, 6'3", 81 inches of reach. Gonna have significant reach advantage compared to Min Yang Zheng, who only has 75 inches. But Branson Ribeiro not gonna back down. Just not that type of a fighter. He destroyed Bruno Lopez pretty much easily. The two newbies are gonna square off on each other, and I believe the Brazilian guy is better in the ground game, while I have a strong feeling that Min Young Zheng is a better brawler. So I'm gonna say the fight will not go the distance. Again, the problem is the fight might get dragged to the ground, so I'm gonna go with the Brazilian fighter for victory.